Today's video is sponsored by Athletic Greens. So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. It's about 35 degrees here this morning, but you can feel the warm air coming. It's supposed to get up to about 55 today, and a bunch of rain tomorrow. A little bit cold over the weekend, but next week looks like it's in the 40s or 50s all week long. I'm not saying winter's over, but I'm saying the end is in sight for sure. Pretty excited about that. I'm just touching up the MS500 here. We're going to go down to the wood yard here in a little bit, fire this thing up, and get into some more of that big oak. I also have something to show you here as soon as I'm done sharpening this saw. I doubt anyone that watches our channel has ever seen one before, and I doubt very few will know what it is. And I say that because it took us years to figure out what it was. My dad, he was a Civil War collector, and he had a bunch of other odds and ends as well. And what I'm going to show you, I know it's not from the Civil War, but it's a pretty interesting piece. I'll have to show you as soon as I'm done with this saw here. Have any of you ever seen one of these? Or know what it is, or when it was used? I'll give you a clue. It's very old, that's for sure. I'll get the other camera out here and give you a closer look at it. I'll give you a better look here. I hope you can see there's a bunch of engraving on it. There's some lettering down there. I believe it says LVW on it. I mean, I think we can all agree it's like a spear, but this has a certain name, and I'm pretty sure of when this was used. So if you ever saw anything like this, or you know what it is, let me know in the comments. And by the way, it's not just the spearhead. There's metal that runs all the way down the rod here, about halfway. So a lot of people have been asking about Ty. It's not exactly t-shirt weather, Ty. He's checking out Sasquatch here. But Levi has been starting to tap trees, haven't you?
Yeah, me and Ty both. We have a video coming on that soon, actually. Ooh. But we haven't been out. We got all the trees tapped yesterday. We finished, and we got it just in time because today, like he said, it's above 50 today, first time in a while. So that sap's getting ready to flow.
It was flowing the other day as soon as
you... And you know what? The first tree I tapped, it was, and I thought, like, I've never seen it where they were like that. Well, here, that's one that's just in the sun more. All the others I did, nothing.
Yeah, totally.
And so it's just in the sun more.
What, did he just kick you?
He's trying to just run.
Oh boy, he's down.
Are any of the subscribers familiar with Wildcat? Bobcat, this is my other look. Oh man.
Melissa just said he listens as well as Archie.
Yeah, he listens to his mom pretty well. I think it's the Thai language.
Yeah.
He responds well too.
You're right. His is mess around with his mom.
I don't speak Thai, so.
So I mentioned earlier that today's video was sponsored by Athletic Greens, and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. Athletic Greens is a nutrition company with a daily supplement, AG1, that supports your energy, focus, gut, digestion, and immune system health. Delivered in one daily serving, AG1 contains 75 different ingredients, including vitamins, minerals, superfoods, and probiotics. It's for anyone who's looking to get a little healthier. So far in 2022, I've been trying to do more with less. And when I say less, I mean things that are quick and easy, and Athletic Greens has been a good solution for that. So I've been taking Athletic Greens now for a couple months, and I've noticed a big difference from winters past. Normally I struggle this time of year. You know, it gets dark early, you feel like going to bed right after dinner, and you get the 2 p.m. sleepies after you eat lunch. This year that has not been the case. I also like the convenience of Athletic Greens. 1 scoop in 8 ounces of water every day. That's all there is to it. Get your greens. Go to athleticgreens.com/outdoorswiththemorgans to get started on your order. Athletic Greens is going to give my community a free 1-year supply of immune-supporting vitamin D and 5 free travel packs with your first purchase.
All right, I got a bunch of wood split up there. I filled up one of those IBC totes. Well, finished filling it up.
That will be for firewood bundles. Got a bunch more in the wood bunker. Put some in the firewood bucket here that I just carry over here to the wood shed. I'm going to fill this up as well. This is like money in the bank right here. Actually, it's better than money in the bank, to tell you the truth, in my opinion. I was at the bank the other day, and there was a lady in there, older lady, and she was asking about CDs and what the interest rate was, and they were offering 0.005% for a 9-month CD. So 0.005, if you were to put $100,000 in there, after they use your money for 9 months, they would give you $500. Not much of a deal. All right, got a little more wood in the woodshed there. Probably later on this week or maybe this weekend, I'm going to move the Wallenstein chipper up into the new building. And then I'm going to put the Wallenstein skidding winch right here on the back of the tractor. As far as the weather goes, looks like I think this weekend it's going to be pretty cold but warm up next week. So if the weather's right, I'm going to take this and that tractor right there over to the neighbors and get some more of that red and white oak out. But this thing here is a beast. I'll put a video up above from a while back of me using this, but for pulling big logs up out of these valleys and stuff, man, this thing works like a dream right here. It'll pull a log. I mean, I've pulled stuff out, you know, like 30-inch red oak, 30 feet long, right up over a steep hill, right up to the trail where you can get to it. But that works really, really good. I don't need it all the time, but when I do, there is no replacement for it. It works fantastic. Also need to come down here with the forks on the tractor, move this out of the way. Like I mentioned, this is all for bundle firewood. Really, really nice stuff. All bark free. This is mostly oak in here, maybe just a little bit of cherry. But yeah, this is primo stuff right here. I'm going to try to do my best to not run out of firewood to sell next winter like I did this winter. I doubt that will happen, but at least I'll have a bunch more for next winter than I did this past year. But anyway, right now I need to head up to the building and do a couple things. And while I'm doing that, you can look at some more of your tractor pictures, and I'll report back in a bit. So anyway, I think that's it for today's video. I want to thank everyone for sending in the pictures. We probably have another 500 or 600 to go through. We'll do that over the next couple videos. But all in all, I think we had around 3,000, 3,500 submissions, something like that. And it's been pretty cool seeing what you guys do, because you get to see what we do all the time. But anyway, I think that's it. I want to thank Athletic Greens for sponsoring today's video. If you want more information, there will be a link in the description. And like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.